Tumala guy, Nagi shop. Saturday chocolate. I say Nagi, you win fast. Smell like a killing that. Look at that, guys. I'm jokes. Guys, I actually want to ask you guys now. Especially by feeling 21, I want to ask you guys a question. Like, celebrating your 21st with like your loved ones, is it worth it? Worth it now or no? Because yeah, no. Since the other. My face is and I'm asking you guys a question. Hi, Shona. Irina. Is it worth it to celebrate your 21st birthday with your friends and family? Like spending all that money, is it worth it? I'm asking for a friend, and the friend I'm asking for just joined. Yo, go JD abakawana gore what does the friend want? She wants to celebrate now, but things are just not. I'm not shanga. We're struggling to find a venue, like, and also we're not about to have something on this list like a new phone that I get that and host people. You're onto something now, but something that's similar to a device that's on my wish list. I can get it even if I host people. It's like it won't affect my pocket. It was US, so let's go yesterday. If it was around 11, 12, yes, it was me. Yes, Pink is my sister actually. Guys, I didn't go to we don't mind hosting the people, né? And then send the wish list because now I'm gonna be paying for the venue, catering, whatsoever, whatever, and the food. Then they have to buy me whatever's on my wish list because. But also now my worry is that what's the use if I'm gonna host people for a day, spend so much money for a couple of hours, and the following day I'm broke. But I need to now. Like no, I know, nah, Bumi, I know, but since I was 16, nah, let me just say from 16, I've never planned to celebrate my 21st birthday. Like, I've never had that excitement to celebrate my 21st birthday until my boyfriend was like, do something for your birthday, let's do something for your birthday. And I was like, Also, my dad has been asking me, Guti, what do you want to do? But I'm hanging in Mac. The crew in Merc. They must just buy me a car, guys. Maybe I'm losing a seal. Unojabulu